Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So right here, I accidentally piped from this box on the wall into the ceiling in this red box that I mounted. That's actually supposed to go right to the electrical room, but I accidentally ran it into this box. So I'm just gonna cut it in the wall, and then it'll be used as a sleeve, which is what it was originally gonna be for that white wire right there. And this is exposed on the ceiling, so I trying to do my best job here, and it was just taking me a really long time. It was getting frustrating. I messed up a couple times with the back-to-back 90s and having to kick it at the end there, but I did manage to get it finally. I just had to stay a little bit extra after work to clean up, but anyways, right here, finished the other two boxes on the third and second floor, and that was the third floor. This is the second floor, and this box right here, basically the orange box was in the way, so I had to use a KO seal and drill new holes because as you can see right here, the pipe would not fit in halfway. And that's basically all that I have to show you today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. It was a little tedious today and irritating, but I'm not mad at all. I'm just trying to learn and get better. So I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by and watching. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe, and also maybe drop a comment. I'd love to interact with you guys. Thanks for everyone who left a comment on yesterday's video. Hopefully I helped you guys out with your questions, and I always appreciate the kind words you guys have to say and the motivation to keep making videos. I think I already said this, but have a great weekend. Stay safe out there, and God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and I will see you back on Monday at the latest. And I'll also try to get out an extra video on the weekend, but I'm not too sure about that because I got a lot of plans going on. But I'll try to record some stuff. I'm going to go driving with some of my friends. First time I should be able to see my friend's McLaren if he's bringing it, but if not, he'll bring his GTR. So anyways, hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you later. Peace out.